What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards Group Breaks. We're doing the team random for group break. Sorry, not the team random, the Rangers random for group break number 194. So we're going to go live. We're live at 328. It's just turned 329 here in Denver. We got the list of names, guys. We're going to go 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 2 times. That was in at 329. 329. Third and final time, guys. Good luck. Top 6. Marty, Mackenzie, Brad, Ricky, Joe, and Marty. Marty, you're doubling up. First and last. Congrats. Where am I trying to go here? There it is. That is in at 329. Just turned 330 with a little bit of delay. So I will go and take the top 6. Winnipeg Jets, I think they've hit frickin' every single case for the Rangers. There you guys have it. Congrats.